Back here with another video. Yesterday, this truck decides to leave me stranded, and it was cranking, but it wasn't starting. So, hooked up my scanner tool. Show you guys. Take this out. Plug it in. Cut it on. Code. It says fuel pump A control circuit open. So I looked it up, did the research, and it said it can either be the fuel pump or the relay module, which is right there. So while I was troubleshooting, I started at the front of the truck. Check the fuse, which is this 20. Fuse is good. Check the relay. Relay was good. So I went to AutoZone. I got a new fuel pump relay. Switched it out for a new one. That's not the problem. So next thing I'm gonna do is change out this fuel pump. Just put in a full tank of gas, so I have to siphon it out, and then once I do that, drop the fuel tank, replace the fuel pump, and go from there. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm gonna attempt to siphon this out. This little gas cap, it has two safety levers right here. Couldn't find the tool to release it, so what I did was I got a flathead on this side and the flathead on this side. And I got the tube and pushed it in, which made it unlock. So I have the tube in, I have the air in, and let's see what happens. Alright, so I tried siphoning out the gas, and the tube that I got, it kept getting stuck right at that bin right here. Or one of those bins, it kept getting stuck. So I'm gonna just have to do it the hard way. Bullshit, wish me luck. So before you take out the fuel pump, you want to unscrew these three screws in here. 1, 2, 3. Undo these clamps. I think there's one here and there's one over there. Undo those, and then from there, it's I think it's ready to go. All right, so we got the fuel tank out. You gotta disconnect these lines right here. It's pretty simple, straightforward. And then I have to disconnect this because before you drop it down, make sure you guys cool this line off. Cause I done broke, I think it's a breather line. So just be careful for that. So now take this out and get the new one. Put the new pump in. The old one was extremely hard coming out, so I think it was the wrong pump. So now put it in, lock it in, and reinstall it. Go from there. All right, so before you rise up the gas tank to bolt it in, I'm gonna put these electrical connections in. Once you do that, you wanna connect that up there to that little nipple right there. And then put the neck on. Put the neck on, and then put these connections on over there. Dumb idea or a smart idea, but that motherfucker was too heavy, so I had to siphon it out. Got a cool flow going. Put the tube in, close off any air, and then use my air compressor to blow inside the tank. Tank puffed up a little bit, and then gas started coming out. Boom. All right, YouTube. So it's me just struggling with this damn full tank of gas in this fuel tank, and I had to improvise a little bit because I didn't have no damn help. So I used some cargo straps, go from here to the other side. Put some tension on it. Did the same thing with this side. So now, lift up. Do this side. Sometimes you gotta improvise and figure shit out. So once I have it up, I'm gonna screw it in and then we'll go from there. It's connected at the top. I have to connect these lines right here. That out. That out. All right, moment of truth. Whew, that's a scary part. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, I can hear it priming. Yes, sir. That was a problem. Perfect. What are you doing? Yeah, you guys, if you guys get that fuel pump code, it's either going to be your fuel pump relay or your fuel pump. And like I say, if you don't have any help, use those two cargo straps right there. It'll make your life a hell of a lot easier, I'm telling you. Do this shit by yourself. All right, y'all. Subscribe, like, and comment, and stay tuned. Go on.